We start with breaking news in Jackson County. The Missouri Attorney General is now asking a judge to overturn the conviction of former Kansas City Police Detective Eric DeVolcanier.
Now, he was convicted for the shooting death of Cameron Lamb. KMBC 9's Dennis Evans is live outside the downtown courthouse where the county prosecutor just held a press conference. Dennis.
Yes, and it was a very emotional press conference that was held. Jean Peters Baker saying that she had just received the brief from the Attorney General and said that she found out about the information secondhand. She said earlier today she started to hear rumors, and she actually found out officially that this was happening during a phone call with Mayor Lucas. During that phone call, he talked to her about what was going on, and then they received the brief. Now, she said that brief from the Attorney General says that there were errors in the case that convicted the former Kansas City, Missouri Police Department detective DeVolcanier in the case in the shooting death of Cameron Lamb. It says that there were errors in that case, and in that brief that was sent to the appellate court, the Western Appellate Court, it says that they believe that this should be overturned. Now, the prosecutor's office has also filed a brief with the appellate court saying that they back the decision, they back the conviction, and they do not want to see this turned over. They truly believe that it was an assassination of Cameron Lamb in his driveway, that the officer was convicted of involuntary manslaughter and also armed criminal action, and they say this is a case that they will continue to fight for.
I don't want Kansas City to feel like they are alone, that they don't have someone fighting for them, that they don't have somebody fighting for the rule of law and for justice, because you do. This trial team has done that from the very beginning, and they're going to continue to do that with me.
The concern they say that they have was the fact that people in Kansas City would hear this and feel like they were giving up on the case. They didn't want to run into a situation of civil unrest and people feeling like, in this instance where you have the first white police officer in the city who was convicted in the killing of a black man, 26-year-old Cameron Lamb. They did not want people to think they're giving up on this. That is not the case. We've talked to the family who was there today. They are filing a civil suit also against DeVolcanier as well as the police board, and this is something that will continue to go on. They say the appeal process could take months, but they will continue to fight for this case. Live downtown outside of the courthouse, Dennis Evans, KMBC 9 News.
All right, Dennis, thank you. We just got the document Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey filed in court. Again, it's asking the court to reverse DeVolcanier's conviction by then giving him a new trial or dismiss the case. You can read the full document at KMBC.com, and of course, we'll be staying on top of this story all night.